Hey, I'm back, everybody. Now, you might be wondering, where the heck have you been, Eric? It's been weeks since you posted a video here. I thought you disappeared on us again. Well, no, I didn't disappear. The fact of the matter is that I don't like to post a video of a review video just because I post a review video. I post review videos here because I think that there's something worth telling you about. And you'll notice I'm kind of different that way than a lot of other people here on YouTube who basically just post whatever they feel like posting, whenever it comes out. Doesn't matter if it's worth anything, doesn't matter if it's good, doesn't matter if it's bad. They just post whatever. In the meantime, I took up learning how to crochet. I took a course actually. Um, I'm making a blanket for my niece. She is about 8 months old. She's getting a very, very big blanket. Yeah, I've had a lot of time in my hands because looking for stuff to tell you about takes time. Get this crochet stuff out of the way. It's all over the place. All the yarn, and with the cats here, they love to try to pull my yarn. Anyway, but seriously, check this out. This thing actually is really worth telling you about. First thing I've seen in a while is worth telling you about. This is from my friends Barb and Dennis. This is how to use AI to create images that actually sell stuff, not just plain images, but images that sell. Check this out. It's really, really cool. So this is the Easy AI Image Marketing Power. Now it's kind of a mouthful of a name. I'm thinking to myself, they've got the image thing down. Maybe they should use the AI to come up with a shorter, catchier name. But this one is really, really cool, regardless, because this is some serious stuff. Check this out. You have two different images here. Looks pretty, converts like crazy, okay? Which one works? This one works. Why? Because it's giving you exactly what you want to know. It's telling you, okay, this is marketing power. This is going to get you what you want. This is going to make the sales for you. This one looks nice, but nobody knows what that's about. You take a look at just this image or just this image, and you're like, yeah, okay. I mean, it's nice, guys having a nice cappuccino and reading a book, writing a book, I guess. I don't know what that's about. This one, oh, okay, this is exactly what I want. So basically, it gets to the point, it does the job, and you can use AI to create these things now. AI used to be terrible at making these kinds of images because the text was always garbled. AI has finally fixed that problem. It's making these kinds of images that you can actually use for selling. And Barb and Dennis are going to share with you everything that they know about how to do this correctly the first time. I will show you the members area in just a second. Before I do, of course, you know that this would not be a Man in the Hat review video without me giving you an insane, insane number of custom bonuses. Yes, yes. We know you're the man in the hat also, but right now we're talking about me. We're not talking about you. So just go and rob a museum or something. Anyway, but seriously, check this out. So first and foremost, speaking of AI, how about a system that will allow you to create an entire website in 60 seconds flat? Okay, I'm talking, you put in the prompts, tell it what you want, it generates the entire website for you, start to finish, 60 seconds, boom, you're done. All right, but of course, we're not done yet because after all, if you want to be a successful entrepreneur, then you really do need to have a lot of great bonuses. And by the way, all of my bonuses do come with PLR rights. It means you can sell them, give them away, use them as a custom bonus.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Yeah, I knew you were going to show up words. Yeah, I know it. Look, it's very sweet of you to say that, but you keep interrupting my videos here. It's very, very annoying. Why don't you go and make the girly show or something? But seriously, how about this one where I show you an AI system which actually lets you spy on your competitors, find out why they're ranking, and allows you to do the same for yourself. Still not done yet though. We have a lot of bonuses here. How about $1,340 worth of free paid ads? I did the research for you. I made sure every single one of these is valid and real. These are actual money in your pocket, $1,340 worth of free paid ads from major places. So you can go ahead and start putting out paid ads and making sales on somebody else's dime. $1,340 worth of paid ads for free. That is truly incredible. And I know he's going to say it. I know you're going to say it, Bart. Don't say it.
What a load of crappy crap.
Bye, boy.
He said it anyway. Bart, this is not crap. This is good stuff. Okay? Seriously good stuff. Anyway, let's check this out. How about this thing? This is kind of cool. Take any picture you want and turn it into a talking video. I've done this one before, but I really love this thing. I think it's very, very cool. A fun little AI. Or how about an AI video editor, which is completely free and which is so easy to use. Or another thing for ChatGPT, where I'm going to show you how to use plugins with ChatGPT. And how about if I show you my custom prompt which I use to create content on ChatGPT using the best copywriters. And finally, how about a system to send mass emails from Gmail directly? And the reason you want to do that is because Gmail handles about 70% of the world's email traffic. So if it comes from their own servers, it's much less likely to land in spam. Very, very cool stuff. Let's check out the members area very, very quickly over here. You can see here, it's another course video. Of course, it's not, so you can kind of jump around. Everything is self-contained, so you don't necessarily need to read through everything. Just pick what looks interesting to you and go ahead and check it out. You're going to be able to find instant stuff that's going to help you in your marketing needs. Now, check out the price. This is on a dime sale. So you do need to make sure you act quickly to get in on a dime sale, $13.29. As I'm recording this video, the price will keep going up with every purchase. So please don't wait because, hey, it's worth it. For $13.29, you're getting everything that you need in order to really step up your marketing game. I learned a ton of stuff from this thing. I really loved it. Okay, now I'm kind of jumping the gun because you know that the way my reviews work, I'm supposed to tell you whether I'm going to give a formal tip from head to the product page. So let's go ahead and do that.
The man! You're the man! You're the man!
Yeah, seriously. Okay, you're the man. This is awesome. I love this. My niece isn't going to be happy because her blanket isn't finished yet, but she's 8 months old. She doesn't really know anyway that she's even getting a blanket. Nor do my sister-in-law, brother-in-law know about it. So yeah, whatever. Anyhow, but seriously, spent some time working on this thing. I love this idea. This is great. Grab it. You're going to love it.